This is the world's tallest suspension bridge without piers. The Shauni Isai Bridge, located in Hunan Province, stands as the most remarkable suspension bridge globally and the most expensive in its region, costing 1.5 billion yuan. Spanning 1,414 meters in length and 24.5 meters in width, this engineering marvel hovers 355 meters above the Dihang Grand Canyon. Constructed without piers or brackets, it features a two-tier design. The upper deck can accommodate 200 vehicles simultaneously, while the lower level can hold thousands of pedestrians. Construction began in 2007 and concluded in 2012 after 5 years of relentless effort. With a main span of 1,176 meters, it surpasses even the towering Beipanjiang Bridge to claim the title of the largest steel beam suspension bridge spanning a valley. Building this bridge was no easy feat. It overcame a series of global engineering challenges. Using the innovative ghost cable method, workers relied on main cables and slings to bear the load, transporting steel beams into position along horizontal wire tracks. Some beams, weighing over 200 tons, had to be dismantled and reassembled mid-construction, navigating tight spots with multiple reversals. Secured with 400 to 50,000 bolts, the bridge's vertiginous height matches that of a 100-story skyscraper. Since its opening, it has slashed travel time from hours of gridlock to just 1 minute, advancing mountain bridge technology and boosting local tourism with viewing platforms that generate over 50 million yuan annually. The Isai Bridge is more than a crossing. It's a game changer, linking north and south while transforming natural barriers into thoroughfares. Meanwhile, the Guazu Bridge in Xinjiang, dubbed the Eighth Wonder, redefines magnificence. Stretching just 700 meters, it carries a staggering price tag of 2.39 billion yuan, roughly 3.4 million yuan per meter, outstripping even the cost of the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. Positioned above the Guazu Canyon, it blends modern engineering with breathtaking scenery. Its elegant S-shaped design winds through snow-capped peaks, canyons, and forests, resembling a steel dragon coiled in the wilderness. Whether viewed from afar or driven across, its grandeur is undeniable. A functional masterpiece that doubles as art. So why the enormous cost? The answer lies in its harsh construction environment. Built on permafrost in a high-altitude region with complex geology, the Guazu Bridge endured -40°C winters, fierce winds, and deep snow. These conditions demanded cutting-edge design, premium materials, and top-tier construction techniques. Additionally, its location in an ecologically sensitive area required strict environmental standards, raising both the stakes and the expense. Precise piling techniques minimized environmental damage, while steel cables and deck materials underwent rigorous green assessments for durability and sustainability. The completion of the Guazu Bridge transformed the region, facilitating travel, boosting the economy, and promoting tourism. It stands as a triumph of innovation and ecological awareness, proving human ingenuity can conquer even the wildest terrain. Like a poetic steel ribbon, it stretches across the Tian Shan Mountains, an enduring mark of progress amid nature's pristine beauty.